What if I told you that everything you can see, every star, planet, person, and particle of dust, makes up only about 15% of all the matter in the universe? The other 85% is invisible. We can't see it, we can't touch it, and we still don't know what it is. Scientists call it dark matter, and it has been holding galaxies together for billions of years. Here are 7 facts about dark matter that sound completely fake but are 100% real. According to data from the European Space Agency's Planck satellite, the universe is made of roughly 4.9% ordinary matter, 26.8% dark matter, and 68.3% dark energy. That means all the atoms in every star, planet, and living creature combined account for less than 5% of the cosmos. Dark matter alone outweighs visible matter by about 5.5 to 1. It is the dominant form of matter in the universe, and we have never directly detected a single particle of it. We only know it exists because of its gravity. Dark matter gets its name for a simple reason. It does not emit, absorb, or reflect any form of electromagnetic radiation. Not visible light, not infrared, not X-rays, not radio waves. It is completely dark. This is why telescopes cannot see it, no matter how powerful they are. The only way we know it is through its gravitational pull on things we can see. It bends light from distant galaxies, it tugs on stars, and it shapes the way galaxies rotate. But if you shine a flashlight at a clump of dark matter, the light would pass straight through as if nothing were there. In the 1970s, astronomer Vera Rubin studied how stars orbit inside galaxies. She expected stars near the edge to move much slower than stars near the center, just like planets in our solar system do. But they didn't. The outer stars were moving just as fast as the inner ones. Based on the visible matter alone, those fast-moving outer stars should have been flung out into deep space. The only explanation was that galaxies are embedded in a massive invisible halo of dark matter, providing the extra gravity needed to hold them together. Without dark matter, every spiral galaxy in the universe, including our own Milky Way, would tear itself apart. The idea of dark matter is far older than most people think. In 1933, Swiss astronomer Fritz Zwicky was studying the Coma cluster, a group of over 1,000 galaxies. He measured how fast the galaxies were moving and realized they were flying apart far too fast for the visible mass to hold them together. He calculated that there must be about 400 times more mass than what could be seen, and he called it Dunkel Materie, German for dark matter. Most scientists dismissed his idea for decades. It took Vera Rubin's galaxy rotation work in the 1970s to convince the scientific community he had been right all along. In 2006, scientists found what is considered the most direct proof that dark matter exists. It's called the bullet cluster, the aftermath of 2 galaxy clusters colliding at thousands of kilometers per second. When clusters collide, their hot gas, which is the normal visible matter, slams together and piles up in the middle, glowing in X-rays. But when researchers mapped where the actual mass was using gravitational lensing, the bending of light from background galaxies, they found most of the mass had sailed right through the collision and ended up on the far sides, completely separated from the gas. Normal matter interacted and slowed down. Dark matter passed through like a ghost. This separation can't be explained by any modification of gravity. Dark matter is a real, separate substance. Here's the unsettling part. Dark matter isn't just out in space. It is everywhere, including right here on Earth. Our solar system is moving through the Milky Way's dark matter halo at about 230 kilometers per second, which means a constant wind of dark matter is blowing through the planet, and through you, at this very moment. If dark matter is made of WIMPs, weakly interacting massive particles, as many as billions of these particles could be passing through your body every single second. They don't hit anything. They don't leave a trace. You have never felt them. But they are there, streaming through you as you watch this video. Despite knowing dark matter exists for over 90 years, we still have not identified a single particle of it. The leading candidates are WIMPs, axions, and sterile neutrinos, but decades of experiments have come up empty. Deep underground detectors like LUX Zeppelin and XANONT, buried under thousands of feet of rock to block cosmic rays,